Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Look what came in the mail today. This is my May Petit Vour box. I haven't opened it yet. I cut away the tape, but I wanted to open it for you today. Before I do that, I want to do a review of the products that came in my April Petit Vour box. Now that I've been using those for a month, I can do a pretty good review of those. If you're not familiar with Petit Vour, it's one of the few cruelty-free subscription boxes out there. It's a monthly subscription box for $18.95 a month, and it's filled with not only cruelty-free, but clean beauty products from indie brands, and a lot of these brands I've never even heard of before. So I'm really pleased with the subscription. I've been subscribed since December and I've liked almost everything I've gotten so far. In my April box, here's the card that comes with each box so I can tell you what I got. The first thing here is from Akar. This is another brand I had never heard of until this box. This is the Akar Face Oil Duo. This retails for $36. So these little face oils alone are twice the price of the box itself. It says, a duo of powerful and lightweight oils. This duo absorbs into the skin for a hydrated, youthful appearance. The Soothe Face Oil is safe for sensitive skin, while the Clarify Face Oil is perfect for problem skin of all types. And there's 7 mLs in each of these little bottles. I love face oils, and these are 2 great ones. I'm so happy to have these in my collection. $36 does sound steep, but face oil goes a very long way. It just takes a couple of drops of one of these to cover my entire face. And the Soothe one I've used several times when my skin has been irritated from my active ingredients, my Retin-A, my vitamin C, my BHA exfoliant. And then the Clarify I've used a few times when I felt like my pores were getting clogged and I maybe had some blackheads forming. Both of these are beautiful formulas. They smell fantastic. They sink into the skin beautifully. And I'm really, really happy to have them in my collection. Next is from Rms Beauty. This is the Rms Beauty Swift Shadows. This retails for $20, and it says, eyeshadow designed for easy application, long-lasting wear, and buildable color for any look. Made with wild harvested buriti oil and jojoba oil, this shadow will not dry out on the lid like traditional formulas. Here's the color. It's the color Garden Rose, and I have really enjoyed this shadow so much this month. I'm not wearing it today because I didn't know that my Petit Vour box was going to be coming today, so I didn't put it on, but I have worn it several times and I just love the color. It's a really pretty neutral shimmery brown. I already knew that I loved the Buriti bronzer from Rms Beauty. I'm wearing that today and it's my favorite bronzer. It's a cream bronzer and I just feel like it goes on so well and is a gorgeous color. So I was hoping I'd feel the same way about this eyeshadow, and I do. Next in the April box was this. This is the Shamanuti Seaweed Toner. This retails for $10. It says, skin loves this nutrient and mineral rich toner. Made with tea tree and hyaluronic acid, this hydrating toner does it all. Clears complexion, balances pH, calms skin, refines pores, and sets makeup. I've been really happy with this toner. I haven't used it a whole lot yet. I like to introduce skincare products very slowly into my collection, and I've been testing out a few others, but I have used it enough times to know that it is very hydrating on my skin, feels great, the ingredients are beautiful, gorgeous formula, and really happy to have this. I like to use these little bottles of toner in this size at work. I'll take them in my work bag and use as a refresher. I work in the operating room where the air can be very dry. It's constantly being reprocessed and is really harsh on the skin. It's kind of like airplane air for 12-hour shifts. So it's really nice to have something like this to refresh my skin. I'll carry this one in my work bag and use it there. I'm very happy to have it. Then the last thing that came in my April box was my first true fail from Petit Vour so far. I've had the box since December, so that's not too bad. This is the Suntegrity Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen. It says, this medium coverage formula gives skin a flawless, smooth, more youthful appearance. Made without oils or silicones, the vitamin and peptide-rich moisturizer visibly reduces the signs of aging while providing SPF 30 and blue light protection. Now, I said when I did the unboxing of my April box that I had tried another Suntegrity sunscreen and did not like it at all. I had gotten this one as a deluxe sample in a Credo box, and this one was chalky with horrible white cast and just felt icky on my skin. I did not like this at all. So when I did my first impression on my hand of this one, I was, for one thing, happy to see that it was tinted, and I did feel like it was a little nicer on my skin than this other one I had tried. But I still don't like it. I like it enough more than this one that I'll be able to use it up, but I don't like it. It is the right color for my skin, but it still feels cakey. It looks cakey. It clings to any dry patches. It makes all my skin look peely and flaky, and I just don't like it at all. It's uncomfortable on my skin. I know there are a lot of people that love Suntegrity sunscreens. I'm not sure what it is I'm missing, but this was a definite fail for me. I will use it up, but I won't enjoy it. That's it for my April box review. 3 of the 4 products were huge hits. I think that's pretty good. Now let's get to the May box. Usually when I open these boxes, I've seen some unboxings from some of my favorite YouTubers, so I kind of have an idea of what's in here. Even though over the last few months, I've gotten 1 or 2 products that were different than theirs, I've gotten usually 1 or 2 products that I kind of knew what they were going to be. I haven't seen any unboxings of this one so far. This box comes late in the month, and it's May 28th today, which is really late in the month for the May box, but mine always seems to come a little later. I haven't seen any unboxings yet though, because for one thing, my husband and I took a little road trip out, got out into nature and off the grid for about a week. So I'm pretty far behind on watching my YouTube videos. So I really have no idea what's in here, which is really exciting. Let's look and see. I cut away the tape, but I haven't opened the lid at all even yet. Here's the inside. Here's the card for this month, which looks really pretty for May. That looks like a kind of a deserty kind of summer look, which I like. And let's see what we've got here. I'm just gonna go through the box and find out what's in here. Oh, this is from Andalou Naturals. It's a brand that I've seen before in Petit Vour, and I really enjoyed it. The first thing I got from Andalou through this box was a cleanser, and I did really like that cleanser a lot, so I'm happy to see another thing from the brand. This is another brand I had never heard of until Petit Vour, so I'm very happy to know about them. This is the 1000 Roses Lotion. This little bottle retails for $3. It says, this ultimate skin food blends rich rose hip and other natural oils to nourish, smooth, and soften dry skin. Soothing rosewater and aloe vera help protect skin's moisture barrier for a luxurious body treatment. That sounds really nice. In the summer, I like to have nice lotions. I like to wear t-shirts and shorts when it's hot, and I like something that's going to make my skin look smooth and silky, so hopefully this one will do that. Let's see what it definitely has a rose scent, which I don't mind at all. I like rose. Oh, got a little bit too much out there, but we'll get a good idea of how it works that way, won't we? Oh yeah, this is a nice lotion. I like it. The rose scent is definitely strong. If you don't like rose, you're not going to like this. I love the scent of rose myself. This is not like a heavy old lady kind of rose smell. It's more like actual roses. smells like actual rose bushes, which I love. Love that scent. So yeah, I'm really happy to have this one. And I'll get a lot of use out of that. Did I say it retails for $3? $3. Okay, let's see what's next in here. This is Envy Diswar. I don't know what that is. Let me see if I can find it on here. Oh, it's a perfume oil. Handmade in small batches, this scent of violet glistens while gentle rose dances in soft rain. Sandalwood and ambrette caresses the skin, while bergamot, angelica seed, and orris top it off. And that's a lot of things that I really wish I knew more about scents so I could tell you what I thought about those, but I don't. I am happy that it has violet. I love violet. And of course the rose is perfect to go with the rose lotion. Oh my goodness. Okay. I've been really fortunate lately to get some nice, clean scents in my Petit Vour box and a couple of other deluxe samples from other boxes, but this is my favorite so far. It's really funny because for the longest time I couldn't find any cruelty-free fragrances that I really liked, so I didn't really use any. I just relied on my body lotions and my body butters for my scents. But lately I've been finding some that I really enjoy. But this one's my favorite so far. I love this. It smells so clean. It's got a nice floral scent, but not at all heavy. It's very light, crisp, fresh smelling. Love it. It's a very tiny little bottle, but I just barely touched it on my skin. So this is going to go quite a ways, I think, for me. Really happy to have that. See what it says that little bottle would retail for. It says $6. That sounds about right because it is a tiny little bottle, but it's a very rich, beautiful scent. Okay, let's see what's next. This is from Goldfaden MD. I've vaguely heard of Goldfaden MD, but I've never tried anything from the brand, and I don't know anything about the brand, so this will be a first for me. This is called Bright Eyes, and it retails for $8. It says, bye-bye dark circles. This doctor-approved brightening eye cream reduces the appearance of under-eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines for a more luminous and youthful glow. Perfect for all skin types. Sounds good to me. I've had a lot of trouble recently with dark circles. It's kind of off and on thing with me. Sometimes they're worse than others. Lately they've been worse. So I'm happy to give this a try. I'm not going to test it today because I've got some concealer under my eyes and I don't want to put it on right now. And there's no sense in putting it on the back of my hand since it's an eye product. So I'll let you know next month what I thought of it. And then next in here is from Causebox. This is the Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter. This retails for $28. Yay, that's a great value in this box, this $18.95 box. I've gotten one other thing from Causebox in another box. It was a little liquid luminous drops that I loved. I'm still enjoying using that, so I'm happy to have something else from the brand. This says the Fairy Dust Highlighter, a creamy pressed powder made with crushed minerals to highlight and enhance every skin tone. This formula creates an elegant sheen that doesn't look glittery. Yay, because I'm kind of over glitter, to tell you the truth. I love shimmer, I love glossy metallic looks, but I'm not so much into glitter anymore. Here's the color. Let's see if it has a shade name on it. Yeah, it's Star Kissed, which looks like a perfect color for me. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? I hope the camera's picking that up well. Oh, it's so pretty. Definitely glossy and shimmery, but not at all glittery. I can kind of blend it out and make it subtle, which I like, or I can put some more on and make it really, really glimmery. So pretty. I love that. Not a huge highlight wearer, but if I'm going to wear one, I love that kind of gold shift. Let's see if it looks a little different there. Yeah, that's more like the color of my face, and that's so pretty there. Love it. That's gorgeous. Okay, I'm thrilled to have that. Causebox is a beautiful brand. As I said, I've really enjoyed using those luminous drops, which are also like a liquid highlighter, and I'm really going to enjoy using this fairy dust. And then, oh, there's another thing in here. There's 5 this month. As I said, I'm fairly new to Petit Vour, so everything so far has been 4, but this month I got 5. Let's see what this is. This is the LM & Co. Crystal Infused Toner Spray that retails for $22, made with refreshing cucumber, mint, and infused with real amanasite gemstones and powders to recharge the skin and the mind. This toner instantly refreshes and clears the complexion of impurities and pollution. Always ready to try another toner spray. Let's see how this one feels on the skin. Oh my goodness, the scent is so refreshing. It definitely has a cucumber scent. Definitely very fresh and cucumber mint. Feels good on the skin. It's a fine mist, so it didn't leave like droplets all over my face. Oh yeah, that feels very nice on the skin. I'm going to enjoy using this. This is going to be great. I'm going to put this in my refrigerator and use this on the hot days this summer. Very happy about this. Oh look, it's got the little crystals. Can you see those in the bottom of the bottle there? Isn't that cool? I guess that's the little amazonite crystals. Oh, awesome. I didn't see those at first. I didn't have my glasses on. So that's really cool. Nice little touch there. This retails for $22. So I've got $28, $22, $8, $3, and then my little perfume over here was $6. All of that in an $18 box. I'm pleased. That's it. That's everything I got in my May box and the review of my April Petit Vour box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button down below and then the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.